Are you wondering how to create a banner for your YouTube channel? You know, that cover photo that sits right up top? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a banner for your YouTube channel step by step. And it's not as hard as you think. And as well as I'm going to give you some pro tips to make your banner stand out so it's more interesting for your audience and things you should include to get more subscribers. Hi there, my name is Christina Spohr. If you are returning, I am so thrilled you're here. Welcome back. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss a new video on every Tuesday and Friday. With that being said, let's dive right in so you learn how to create a YouTube banner. Alright, so in order to create your YouTube banner, you'll actually want to go over to Canva, and this is where I like to create all my social media graphics as well. So first things first, actually go to Google and type in YouTube banner template, and you'll want to download the first template that you see and save that. Then you'll go to Canva and you'll create your design and just type in YouTube, and you'll see YouTube channel art, and these are the dimensions that you'll be using for your banner. Now of course, if you're using this whole entire dimension, it's actually not all going to fit into your channel art. So this is why you download the template, because when you have the template as an overlay, so you'll add that and make it bigger, make it fit the screen, because you can see when I make it bigger for you to look at, you can see that the big one is TV dimension. So if you don't work within this dark text and someone is looking at their mobile phone, they can't see it. But on the desktop side, they can actually view the sides of it. So this is where you'll want to work if you are wanting to show certain things. So let's say I'm going to be creating a YouTube banner channel for my Instagram channel that I have, that I'm going to start, and just helping people grow their business using Instagram. So let's go to text. Text is something that you want it to stand out. And one way I like to look at text pairings is I like to go to Pinterest and type in Canva fonts combinations, and this actually shows me then good combinations that work well together. So let's just click on the first one and see what I like and what would go well together. And I actually like the Poppins Bold, or I think the Antonia Bold font. That'll be nice too with the shadow and light. Or the Baby's New with just another hand because it's bolder. So let's do the Baby's New and just another hand. So I'll add the text. Let's say build your business using Instagram. And then I'm going to go look up the Baby's font. Here we go. Okay, so you can see how it's big, and that wouldn't be on the mobile version, so I'm going to shrink it and make it actually fit onto the mobile, okay? So keep in mind, the reason the text stands out so well is because this is a darker background. So when you're actually doing this, a dark background with light text works really well, and vice versa. A dark, loud car. A dark text with a light background works very well. So keep that contrast in mind. And I'm actually going to put my background in very last, and I'll show you how to do that, okay? So don't worry about the background yet. So I add the build your business using Instagram. And I'm going to then go to text and go to add the other one, and the other font was going to be just another hand. So then I'll actually search that, just another hand. And I'm going to say small business tips, tricks, and ideas. Put the comment in that bigger, shrink that down. Now let me think of the font that I want to be using. I'm going to do like a purple font because it's for Instagram. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a purple. Let's go over to the purples. And I'm going to do like a dark purple. Let's do that. So you can see on a dark background, dark text doesn't work well. So I'm actually going to make this more transparent so I can actually see better what I'm working with, but still see the lines that I need. And then for the small business, I'm actually going to change that, and I'm going to do purple, but do a lighter purple. Do that. Okay, shrink that, move that over here. And then I'm going to, let's see, what else do I want to add? Maybe I want to put like just a background right here. So then I will go to maybe photos, and let's type in Instagram. Okay, so this photo, I don't think that'll fit very well in the background. I'm not really liking any of these. So let me just look up maybe like nature, because I feel like people like pretty things to look at on Instagram. I think that's pretty, and that kind of matches the Instagram thing that I'm going for. So maybe I like take it and shrink that down, but I don't like how that is with the mountains. I want the lighter part, so I'll actually just double click it and move that down. And then I'll make that bigger, make that bigger. Okay. Now I'm going to actually make that more not duplicate it. I'm going to make this more transparent so I can work with it some more. I can always make it darker if I want, but I'm going to make it more transparent. I like that. Then let's see. I'm going to, let's go to photos. Let's say I kind of want to work with a gold background. I think that would be cool. Oh, that's, let's say, okay, sparkly. Nope, not the whole screen. Let's say I want to do this with the tablet. You see how it says the tablet right there? So I'm going to fit this in with the tablet section. And I got to make this more transparent so I can actually see what I'm working with. So you see the tablet line, so I'm going to go to the tablet line right here. But I want to see more of the mountains actually, so we're going to keep it within the desktop. That's what I decided to do. Okay, so let's make that more transparent because I don't want that to be like overpowering sparkly. So let's do that. And then actually let's go into elements. And I want to box and make it stand out more. Maybe put background on text that I have. And I'm going to make it, let's say like a white. And I'm going to have that go to the end of the screen. That text over, nope, not that far. Okay, take that. I want that a little more transparent as well. I don't want that like pulled out white. And I'm going to duplicate it because I want it to be highlighting the other one as well. But I want to stretch out that text more. So I'm actually going to take it, position it, bring it to the back a little bit. So the writing is up front, and I'm going to go into spacing, and I'm going to space the text out just a little bit so it's easier to read. Alright, and then I also want to, I know that I have a free offer that I want to offer. It's like 7 Instagram steps, so I'm actually going to go into elements and type in phone. So then I'm going to actually put this phone over here, and I'm going to put my offer in there so people know that they can get it. I'm going to put like an arrow to the subscribe or to the thing, to the offer. I can change the color if I want, but I'm going to leave it white. I like the white. And then I'm also going to duplicate this background because I want to also add when I'm publishing my videos, okay? So let's say here, I'm going to do that here, and I want to make it like a purple background, so I'm going to duplicate it again and make a darker purple background. Text, so let's do that, and there is new videos every Wednesday, let's say. I haven't decided yet, so if you're watching this, it's not for sure that I'm going to be doing videos every Wednesday for it, but you can see that that dark background didn't fit it very well. So I'm going to make the text white, and I like how it's bordered with the white, but I'm going to group it together so I can easily move it around. Put this in here. Shrink that a little bit, maybe twist it a little bit. Alright, then you can go in and maybe add certain elements you want. Maybe I actually want to take, let's see, elements, let's do border. Let's see for frame. Oh, this one's, I like this thin, writing on it? Don't want to do that actually. Didn't see that writing on there. Let's type in square and see what pops up. Okay, so you see this, I'm going to do this as the border, this, and shrink it to size, and I'm going to make that black. And I'm actually going to duplicate it to here, and I'm going to position it to the back, so that one is up front. Yes. Okay. that'll work for now. I'm definitely going to switch it a little more. I might maybe put some Instagram photos for elements on the side, the background. So you see how the background thing, all you can do is simply go to background and pick a background that you think would work best. And it would just go on the back. But I think what I'm going to do is just do a simple white background. Yeah, because I'm not worried about the TV background, to be honest. I'm more so worried about the sides of what I want to see. And so maybe I'll also, let's say you want to add a photo. So I'll actually, that's the one thing I wanted to show you. So you'll go to uploads and you can upload your photo. Now of course, if you want to remove the background from the image, you can actually upload your image here. Yeah, so just upload your image, and this is remove BG, and it actually removes the background for you. So then you just download it and the background's gone, and you can actually go to back and then go to uploads. You can even duplicate it and then flip it if you'd like. If you want to have two of the same, maybe you want to add a couple Instagram elements, that's completely up to you. Okay, just for that sake, let's just show you how it looks when you upload it. Okay, so you can see, this is the Instagram account, so I'll just upload it. And you can see some of the older banners I did and how they didn't actually fit in it. So then I'll actually go to the uploads and upload this one. And you can see that everything fits in and uploaded. The arrow goes down to where you can click the icon. You can always add your social media handles if that's something that you want to add. Just remember when you're creating it, you want it to be something that your channel's about, so when someone lands on it, they know what it's about. They know when you upload your videos, and remember the contrast and colors and make it easy to read. So it's pretty easy to create a YouTube banner for your channel. It does take time, and you can go back and tweak it more. So I'd look at it and be like, okay, maybe I want to make some edits because I don't like this mountainy background. I'd switch it. So it's easy for you to do, especially if you duplicate it and you want to save that original one, and you can go start doing a few more new edits to compare it and see what you like best for your cover photo. Alright, so after watching this video, I really hope you learned and figured out how to create a banner for your YouTube channel, and you realize that it's really not hard to create a cover photo. And with that being said, I do have a few questions. I'm really curious, leave in the comments below. Did you learn how to create a banner for your YouTube channel? And I'm curious, is this the very first time that you ever created a cover photo for your YouTube channel, or is this like trying to do it because I tried doing it and it just didn't work so well? I'm curious, let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you actually are just starting a YouTube channel and you've never set one up before, or you're just starting and wondering, some great tips to start growing, make sure you check out the previous videos I did. I did it in 2 parts, and I actually gave you 12 tips to start a YouTube channel. So I'll leave that in right up here for you, so you can go click on that, or there, wherever that thing pops up there. Alright, I hope you have a wonderful week, and if you learned how to create a banner for your YouTube channel, make sure you like this video, give it some love, and if you know someone who's actually wanting to start a YouTube channel, or someone who's asked you questions about this, feel free to share it with them. And make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video on every Tuesday and Friday. Alright, bye for now.